Hey Print Hustlers, Bruce from Printavo here, Simple Shop Management Software. We're really excited to be able to give you this demo around Printavo merch. Now, as you guys know, Printavo helps print shops all around the world be able to keep track of their workflow from front to back, keep everybody on the same page around scheduling, invoicing, payments, approvals, and more. And we really focus on the core and simple aspects of those business to be able to deliver a tool that's very easy for you guys to use. Now, as the print shop industry changes and evolves, online stores have been really important as a sales tool to be able to use. With that said, we've seen the tools that are out there to use and just really feel they're kind of clunky and take a lot of time to be able to do simple tasks. So we've created Printavo Merch. And Printavo Merch is going to help you guys be able to do fundraisers, group orders, and company stores really easily in kind of the simple methodologies that we've created in Printavo. So with that said, I wanted to give you guys a quick demo of how Printavo Merch would work and how it fits right into your existing workflow. Now, let's say that the Illini Dads Association comes to you and wants to be able to hold a fundraiser to be able to raise funds for their organization. They want t-shirts, fleece sweaters, and polos, and you guys create a quote for them. So we created this quote to show them, here's the prices we're gonna sell at, depending on the different garments. Here are the available size options that you guys will be able to sell them for. And you send this quote to them, they look at it, they approve it via email, and perfect. Now it's changed the art approved status. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a merch store right from this quote. So no longer will you have to spend all that time creating and setting up a store, adding products, uploading images and information. We're going to populate all that basic information for you to customize from there. We'll go into more actions. We'll click Create Merch Store. And what this is going to do is this is going to label our store name based on the order nickname that we set. And we've got a URL that we can use here, which we will populate here. So I'll click Create. Now what this is doing in the back end is this is actually populating all that data for you, and it's creating your store to set it up. So the merch store has been created. Now it's going to not have any orders just yet, but when customers place those orders, they'll show up here. You'll be able to filter through unfulfilled and fulfilled. Then you can go in and do a couple of other things which we'll touch on in a second. But you'll be able to see your products, you'll be able to add coupon codes and password settings in your settings here. And let's go ahead and actually view what this store would look like. So I'll click here on View Store, and this is going to open this tab here, which is going to show our store. So this is the store that we'll be able to send to Illini Dads organization so that they can send around and start to fundraise. So as you can see, all the products that were on our quote are now in the store, populated with the price and with the mock-up. So very cool. You've already are up and running with your store. Now from here, you can go in, click on a product. Keep in mind that everything is mobile and tablet friendly right out of the box, so people can do this on their phones too. They can view a little bit closer view of the mockup that you uploaded, and then they'll be able to select the sizes and different personalization options that you customize for that product right here. So we can go ahead and add this to a product, or I'm sorry, add it to a cart. So you'll here be able to see this is the shopping cart. They'll be able to view the shopping cart here. They can add in a coupon code if you wanted to create those, and then go ahead and check out. So super simple. They'll be able to check out here, enter in all their payment information, and complete the order. Now what's really nice is that we are actually using the same payment processor you're already using for Printavo. So it'll check out using PayPal, Stripe, or Authorize.net. As we did launch, we are working on Printavo Payments, which will be a better processor for you guys to be able to use. So that's going to be very cool. Now, as you receive orders, they'll all show up here. Let's actually look at a store real quick that has a couple of orders. They'll show up right here. You can see that they are unfulfilled, but you can always go in and you can print out all the shipping labels and all the packing slips right away to be able to fulfill it and ship those out to the carrier. Now what's really cool is that you're going to be able to create a purchase order for everything you guys need to order right inside here. So you can create that PO to be able to send that off to your vendor and automatically order. Now, two, you can also populate all this information back into an invoice that will show up on your calendar, and you'll be able to manage this order as if it was any other order that came into your shop. Of course, you can go in, mark things all as fulfilled, and export to a CSV file. So this is Printavo merch. We're really, really excited to be able to offer this to everybody. We're working through a beta right now, and then we'll continue to release it to the general public very soon. If you have questions, leave them below in the comments. Thanks.